For this activity, pupils have to go through a news article that has been saved for them. So once they've gone through and done their partner reading and made a few notes on different variation values and threats to forest, okay, they then have to choose one type of forest. So the first one's eucalypt, well, they could choose acacia. So you split the class up and studying different types of forest. Now there are a few ways in which they can actually kind of take notes and research this. One way would be quite straightforward, them just to kind of dot point their findings. I think a slightly more creative way and a bit more collaborative way was use some kind of form of something like dashboard, okay, and Padlet. Sorry, so Padlet is a free website. You don't have to pay or anything like that, and it's a way that all pupils can work collaboratively to add information. It's a bit more visual, a bit more interactive. So for the one I've chosen, I've done acacia, and all pupils can use this. So you can share, if I click on share here, and you can copy the link, send that to all the pupils, and they can all add this at the same time, and you can have it on the screen so it's popping up with all the different information as they go, and then you as the kind of admin can just move it around, making sure it's fits in okay. So for the acacia one, they've read the article, they've picked up on a few bits. So it says here national floral emblem, there's thousands of species, okay, fixing nitrogen to soil. So there might be some of the parts from which they start their research. So they might find the emblem, so I'll right click, save image as, just save it into my desktop there, and then they then go back to the Padlet. They double click on the screen, and there's various options here. So I'll pick a file from my computer, pick file. Okay, there's probably a lot on my desk. Here we go. That one there, open. Okay, and once that's uploaded, okay, and you've got the picture there, they can also add some kind of description with that too. Now the other good thing about this, and they can move this, and there'll be lots of stuff that starts linking up. So one thing you might want to do is connect to a post. So you want to connect those two because that's the right one. You can change the color of the arrows to make them a bit clearer later. But you can also add news articles. So some of the more advanced students might find an article on, I think I've got one here, Australia's wattles threatened by pests. So they'd then copy that there, go back to their Padlet, double click, go there, go to the link with the URL, paste it in there, save. Okay, fantastic. And they might want to write a few summary points. So pests threatening something like that. Okay, and then once that's there, they can look at the other people who can read it as well. They can move it around. They can, I can actually connect to a post as well, connect to that one there. So that means that once you've got all of them around, you can move it around to make it a little bit easier for them to see all the information. But you'll have the other groups as well, that you can have forests of Australia. And you can have this all set up before with the different names. And then once that's done, I'll connect that to a post, connect that there. Okay, and then it just helps link it all together for the students.